Whether you are playing sports, working machinery, or simply trying to type an email, finger mobility is a must. Arrow Splints offer finger mobility and full finger protection for trigger finger, mallet finger, or even a broken or fractured finger. The Arrow Splint is perfect for wearing around the home or office and while you rest. The mobility compression sleeve acts as a shock absorber that stabilizes the finger joint while still allowing you to be active with your hands. How-to. Arrow Splints were designed to fit both small and large hands. The adjustable wrist strap allows you to adjust it to your desired size. Wearing the Arrow Splint is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. When using the premium neoprene Arrow Splint, simply unvelcro the 3 fasteners. 2. Insert your injured finger into the finger holster while laying palm on the splint with the nylon side facing up. 3. Tighten the finger and wrist strap to your desired comfort level.